Hello, let me give you a quick rundown. So this is a 200-year-old house, and as you can see, this has been poured and new foundation because above that is a sunroom. So this is my string line. I lined everything up from wall to wall and side to side, and I'm putting everything back together as it originally was 200 years ago. Those big stones, by the way, are 600 pounds. So we had 3 guys put them on there, help me out with that to set them in place. As you see my string line. And above this is sunroom. And you see those green pillars? That's the original pillars. They're 200 years old. So I'm going to do a lot of cutting here. And I'm going to post every 2 days of how much time it takes. So I'll do a short. So I hope you come back and you see the progress. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Okay, everyone. So this is day 2. I'm reminding you that those big stones, I had to flip them up. I had help to flip them up on the side, and I had to grind. Some areas had high spots and low spots, so I had to grind about 2 inches in some of the high spots to make them fit. So that took me 2 days there, and to center it and to line everything up. So as you can see, these stones vary between 2 inches to 4 inches, and I have to build everything up, and I'm trying to make everything fit. I'm trying to get joints that are no more than an inch. There's a lot of cutting, a lot of chiseling, and grinding, and so forth. So it takes a lot of time and a lot of patience. So I'm letting you know that I did not want to do this job. My builder kept asking me until I caved and I said yes, because he knows my work, and I hope that you guys will appreciate it later on. And I'll show you how I do the joints. Show you how to mix cement and also how to chisel, what type of chisels you use. So there's going to be a dye color in a piper bag, and I'll do that at the end of the job. So please come on back, guys. I'm really excited to show you the end product, and have a good day.